Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix a Wi-Fi problem in your AI plus smartphone if it is not connecting to any network, or sometimes it is just forget or it lose the connectivity of your Wi-Fi. So how you can fix this in your AI plus smartphone? First you have to open your settings, click on Wi-Fi, and you can scan it with the scanner to connect any of your networks. Then friends, you have to reset your Wi-Fi network through settings. Click on reset here, just search it on the settings, click on here and reset the Wi-Fi setting. By doing that, it will fix your Wi-Fi and reset to the default. And now if it is not connecting, you have to check your wireless device like speaker, earbuds, airpods, and restart it to connect this smartphone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.